Hi guys, here 1 plus 2 is 3. This is 21 divided by 7 times 3. Now 21 divided by 7 times 3 is 21. Now 21 divided by 21 is 1. This is wrong answer as per the order of operation. Now we are going to introduce that order of operation rule that PEMDAS. Here this is bracket, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow here another rule that left to right in the problem. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operation PEMDAS. Now here the bracket is higher priority than all other operations. Now we have to do this bracket first. So 21 divided by 7 times this 3. Now we have division and multiplication. Both are equal priority. Now we have to do this left to right rule. Left to right is this one. So here 21 divided by 7 is 3 times this 3. Now 3 times 3 is 9. 9 is the correct answer.